Alright guys, so that's Tad's first cat of the day. Hold it this way, let me see this. I want to show them the sheer length of that. Look at the size of that cat. Holy smokes, that's giant. Morning guys, welcome back. Hope you're having an amazing day. So today I'm on the Thames River and Tan is taking me over for a special treat. We're going catfishing and I'm going to be using actually not a live bait, but I'm going to actually use shrimp. We're going to be still fishing today. The water is like super murky. I've never actually did this in a long time. I remember back in the day when my dad used to take me here and we used to just slam them. Hopefully it's the same treat. Hopefully we do super well. The wind is coming from the east and you can see actually a little bit of debris in the water right now, so hopefully that doesn't affect anything. It looks actually very beautiful outside. The sky is like crystal clear. Can't ask for any better. Hopefully I land something. Let's go, let's do this, let's get some fishing in. Alright, we're in the back of the truck right now and we're just rigging up. So I'm going to be using almost like same thing as like a pickerel rig, but we're not actually using a pickerel rig because there's a lot of snags here. So we make our own. So we just do 2 hook setup on a rig. There's one hook. There's a second hook about 1.5 feet down, and then we have a weighted sinker. And then we apply shrimp to the hook there, and then we just cast out and wait. Let's go fishing soon. Our rods will fire off soon.
My arm's getting tired.
It's a good fight, man. Yeah.
Oh, it's coming, it's coming.
Wow, let's peel and drag, eh?
Dude, I'm gonna
just
up a little bit.
Yeah.
Snap it. There we go. I'm getting in now. It's getting tired.
Yeah. Here she comes. Here she comes. Here comes the channel cat. Good fight, man.
That's the fun of it, right?
Yeah.
You know, check your skills that you don't get over and make it quick.
Alright, almost.
You got worms?
Shrimp. You use shrimp?
Shrimp, yeah. You want to come up?
It's coming. Right there. Oh, there's the first piece of shrimp. Come on, baby.
Wow, that's a big cat. Oh, that's a big cat. Holy smokes.
Make sure you get hit.
Oh, shoot.
Oh!
That's a big cat. Meow. Wow, that's like a 20-pound cat.
Alright. Come on. Alright, coming in now.
Getting tired. Getting right.
Oh, God. Arm's getting tired.
I want my arms to get tired too.
Fun, dude.
It's gonna happen, don't worry.
Coming.
Just give it time.
Woo!
There she is, she's in.
There you go.
She's in. Alright, nice.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a fat cat.
Look at that.
Tan, you want to pick that up and pose with that over here?
Yeah.
Alright guys, check this out real quick. Alright
Whoa.
guys, so that's Tan's first cat of the day. Hold it this way, let me see this. I want to show them the sheer length of that.
Little
Look
big
at
cat.
the size of that cat. Holy smokes, that's giant.
There you go.
Easily. Alright. Alright guys, second fish on the day here.
10 minutes in.
Yeah, another fish here. Coming in real quick. Not as big as the first one, but it's still a nice one. Here she comes.
Still got some bite. Not as hard as the first one, but
Can you lug it up? Okay, that's a smaller cat, but it's fighting hard, eh?
yeah, it's fighting hard, fast.
Here I come.
You got it?
Oh, he's got it. He's got the net. Okay. He's got the
Stop
net.
by these things. You haven't got stung by one yet? It hurt.
Thank you, sir.
Alright, thanks.
That's a good eater.
Yeah.
There you go, sir.
Thank you.
Nice. Second fish on the day. 10 minutes.
10 minutes in. Good.
Give that fish a quick pose after tan.
It's small one.
You like the big ones or you like the small one?
I like all of them.
Oh, all of them?
I like them all.
Catfish is good eating.
Oh yeah.
Whoa,
That's
there you
crazy, bro.
go. Just a small one, so.
It's just a small one?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a small one. T, it's a smallie. It's a small one.
That's perfect for fishing.
I know. It's a beautiful fish.
Oh, Matt,
What happened?
I casted it too hard and got caught. My bait flew off.
Oh.
Feeding the fish.
Beautiful. Nice.
Got freaking skunked today. Ah, you need the right gear. You gotta have the right.
Yeah, you got another fish. Yeah. You got him?
Got him.
Nice.
Got him. You
Nice.
wanna pull this one up?
No. Your rod against my rod. Tan's killing it right now. Fish number 3. It's like 12 minutes now. You guys want to net this fish too? He's like, already? That's awesome. That's a big one again, eh?
Size, medium size.
Yeah.
This one's not too big. Just pretending to make it look big, like.
Yeah.
Even though it's not.
Here we go.
Hey, Lonnie. Your pole.
Come on, baby. Oh, medium
Here he
size.
goes. She's surfing. That's a medium one. That's a nice one.
She's got some fight in her still.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh,
Here we go.
oh. You got it?
That's a nice one.
Damn.
Bam.
It's a ratfish. Big whole hour of fish. Woo! What was that? That's crazy.
It was crazy.
Line's getting loose. They'll be back for it.
Got
Nice! Nice!
No, where's the sinkers?
Woo! That's a big one, Hubby.
Yeah. Felt him.
You're on fire today.
Alright guys, here you go. Another fish.
Oh!
Wow. That's a lot of power on this fish. Wow.
There you go. I want to see how big this one
Yeah,
is.
another one.
You got another one.
He's got it. Right that close. I just want to see how big this one is. There you go.
Yeah, another one.
He's got it.
Gotta chase it up the river. There's a red line in the way. Yeah, tangled. Oh, you can see all the minnows in the water. There's so many of them. She's coming back. I don't want to break it off like the last one.
She got some power. I can fight right now.
Yeah, you got a bite too, eh? Oh, no. Stay away from those spiles.
Oh, wow, B, that's
That's a
nice.
big one.
There you go. You're doing a good job in this one. This one got some spice to it.
There she goes.
Oh!
Yes. Woo, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Beautiful.
All right, my first fish on the day. Oh, awesome. Thank you. All right, I'm gonna take one shot of this and then you guys can take it also.
You got him?
Yep, got him.
So Tan's right back there. Still got a fish on. And then here we go. Here's my first cat. It's huge. It's a monster.
Wow.
Yeah, there you go, guys. I'm gonna let these guys take it. This is very, very good eating. Right, hey, bro?
That's nice.
That's a nice size eater there.
We're getting stung by these things.
Yeah, you gotta be careful. Painful, painful.
Like a bee sting.
What is that, the fifth fish of the day?
Yeah, I think so.
Man, they're just biting. Oh yeah, T's got a catfish. Oh yeah, that's on. That's on. I'm gonna go get their net. I'm gonna get their net. Yeah, you can lift it in? Okay. Still.
I hope it's a sheep's head.
We're killing the catfish today though.
Kind of pinner. Doesn't really feel that big.
Mm.
Or if it's just swimming towards land.
Oh, there we go.
Well, maybe because it dragged around.
She's coming in.
I hope it's a sheep's head.
Oh, that's a cat. Oh, that's a big cat.
That was good.
That's a big cat.
Oh!
It's there. It's
Okay.
still there. It's still
I
there.
thought it was gone. I was
No,
like,
no, 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 no. It stays like a log.
okay. Come on, Pat.
While you coming in, come on with him.
Yeah.
While he come.
Oh,
Oh,
no,
yeah,
he's
yeah.
seen us.
Wait till he sees the net.
He's like, no, I see Asian men. I'm out of here.
Here we go. Into the net.
Yeah.
Boom.
Oh, it popped off.
You want to take a picture of that, T?
No?
No?
No, cool.
You want a picture of it so you knock it off your...
I don't care. Well, it already popped off. No, it's okay. It's okay. I'll just say I caught it.
You don't want to fish?
No,
Take a
it's okay.
pic.
Go
Take
ahead,
a
go ahead.
picture, Jesus, with your
No,
phone.
it's okay. That's okay.
Okay.
Go ahead.
All right, guys. Here we go.
Thank you,
Nice
sir.
big cat.
All right.
Yep.
Thank you.
Eastman just got one right now, a big one. Reeling it in right now. You want to see it? I'm going to flip the camera over.
Another fish coming in.
Alright, about to bring this in. You need a net, B?
Yeah. Yeah.
Net man.
Yeah.
Alright, Princeton, what are you doing at home, buddy?
Not so big, but
What are you doing, buddy?
maybe I'm underestimating the fish sometimes.
Look, he just got a fish. He's about to bring one up right now. See it? See it? Ooh, 50-pound line.
Yeah, she's on shore.
See it?
There we go.
Oh,
Another fish, bro.
that's a nice one.
Yeah?
Not quite, or is that my line touching?
It's the line touching. You need a hand? You need that?
Yeah, just a little net.
All right. Oh.
But you can always have fun fishing.
Yeah.
Oh. As soon as I see somebody.
Yeah.
Yeah, do they break you nice. What catch you got on that?
I got 15 on the end and 20 on the braided.
Got a hold.
There we go, nice. That's a nice one. Boom.
There you go.
Nice.
Thank you, sir.
Well, that's a big one, eh? Holy cow. They're nice and clean here.
Yep.
There you go.
That's a good fish. Oh yeah.
Oh, you got it. Did you got it?
Yep.
Got it? Sweet! Beautiful!
I think so.
Beautiful!
I don't know, actually. I don't know.
Oh, it got off?
I think it got off. Yeah, she got off. She's off. Unless it's like a tiny baby, but.
1, 2, 3! Get it?
Oh my god!
That's the biggest one of the
That's
day.
the hugest one! Holy smokes, look at the size of that catfish! Trophy! Yes! That's what I was looking for! See, this is what you want to bring into the tournaments, guys. That right there, that will win anything. This right here is a tournament winner. It's gonna be weighing about 100 grams.
Now, those are hard fish to catch.
Oh yeah.
The hardest one to
All right,
catch.
this is probably, no, this, I can't say this is my PB catfish, smallest catfish, because of Lake Simcoe. Damn, Dan. So much fish. I'm gonna have to get this guy's net, eh? All right. It's a big one. May I borrow your net? You guys want this one too? You guys have room for another one?
Oh, yeah, we got one more. That'll be it.
All right. They have room for one more.
They got room for one more?
They got room for one more and they got their limit.
What?
All right, guys, there we go. Another fish in.
Thank you, sir.
Yep, beautiful. That's nice coloration. Look how clean that is.
Oh, yeah.
I'll take this. Oh, it's croaking, eh? Did
Yep.
you hear it? Okay, how do you do this?
Right in the back of the gill.
Here, let me hold this.
Yep. This one, the eyeballs is scary, man.
Oh, okay. The eyeballs are scary, man. Oh, damn, the eyeballs are super. Watch out for the wood.
Grab this line real quick here. Bungee. Bungee.
You gotta be safe. You gotta use a bungee cord here just to hook them in. Oh, yeah. There you go. Damn, the red eye. The red eye catfish. Check that out, guys. We got a red eye catfish. There's no such thing as a red eye catfish, but it's got a red eye. You can see right there.
All right,
Be blind.
Putting them back in the water real quick. Oh,
Damn. Oh, hell
yeah.
That's a big one. Oh my god.
Gargantuan.
Move in front of the rock now, dude. There you go.
I hope it's a sheep's head.
It's a big bluegill.
Should we bungee it for him? We're gonna have to, eh?
Yeah. What's going on, cuz?
Damn, that rod's bending. That's a big fish, eh?
I'm gonna be noodling today.
I need a picture from the sideways of me holding the rod, T. Smiling at me.
Okay.
Won't get me catfish today.
There you go.
Just see him.
Damn, Ted's got one too. Alright, I guess I'm to bungeeing.
No.
Nope.
Ah!
Wow! That's a big fish.
Right up here, Heist.
Yeah, don't need to walk up to the edge. You walk up to the edge.
Logs.
Yeah. Stay up to the edge so you can see those logs. And then if it comes close, you can pull your rod out, you know?
Woo!
There we go, like that. Yeah, you did it.
We should probably get a club to beat it over the head.
It's so big. If they were eating it, it'd be no problem.
Those musky beaters.
Yeah, the musky beaters.
I
hope it's a muskellunge.
I can't believe people do.
I hope
Well,
it's
if you eat it. Damn, that's a big fish.
He's like, I see some Asians, I'm taking off.
Oh.
Fight this one, it's too hard.
Damn, that's big.
Gargantuan.
Yeah, that's gargantuan. Here you go, Tan. There you go. The wooden pile. Yeah. That's big. Wow, that's big. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Boom.
What are those bumps?
I don't know, that's weird, eh?
What is it?
There we go. Nice catch. All the ones are coming out now. The babies. Oh, damn, that's what that one is. It's a micro.
Nice in the fish tank.
Yeah.
Oh man, what's going on with all their eyes?
I don't know, they're blind, eh?
Yeah.
What's going on with all their eyes? Like 50% of them are blind.
Could have lost the rod, man.
That was crazy.
10 minutes we're out of here.
Damn, 10. I wish the other camera could see us right now. Double. We're double header catfish right now. Check them both out right here.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Trying to flick her up on short.
Yep.
Boom! Got her. There we go. Gonna get my fish in. On safe size. You got it?
I'm gonna attempt it.
You got it?
I want to snap it and the rod though.
Oh, okay.
Snapped off.
All right. All right, guys. I'm gonna end my day right there. That was fascinating. I'm on the Thames River right here. We smashed the catfish. It was countless fish. We limited out a couple guys that we met here. Tan just caught tons of them. We were using like simply just 2 hooks, a sinker, and some hooked on shrimp. That was the lucky ticket. It was super fun. Massive fish like this big. Get out here if you have the chance. Have fun out here. Signing off.
Oh, you didn't get